Hi guys, it's Gaz here on the GAZWORLD motorcycle channel. I'm here at CMC Motorcycles in Derbyshire, Chesterfield in the UK. I'm here to do a walk around review and specification on this Yamaha MT10 hyper naked motorbike 2022 model. As you can see, that's your tech black, and this one is your icon blue. They also do another colour called cyan storm. I'll just show you this beautiful engine, which is a CP4 998cc 4-stroke liquid cooled 4-cylinder double overhead cam, and it's a Euro 5 engine. It's got a max power of 165 brake horsepower at 11,500 RPM. It's got a max torque of 112 Newton meters at 9,000 RPM. Just show you some detail on the bike. There you have it. You've got your Brembo master cylinder. This motorcycle's got the titanium exhaust. Just show you ground clearance, which is 135mm, which is quite a decent height. Like I say, welcome to the GAZWORLD motorcycle channel. If you like close-up videos for all different brands of motorcycles, be sure to hit the subscribe and bell button after watching the video. That's your air scoop. LED indicators all round. Got your standard fly screen, and then your headlight, your LED double projection type headlights. You've got your telescopic forks for your suspension, and that's got a travel of 120mm. You've got 17-inch 10-spoke aluminium wheels, obviously in blue, which are anodised, and they're wrapped in Bridgestone S22 tyres. And on this particular model MT10, you've got a 90-degree air valve, which makes it easier for tyre inflation. Your front brakes are ABS hydraulic dual disc with a disc size of 320mm, and they're made by Nissin. You've got an overall length of 2,100mm, a width of 800mm, and a wheelbase of 1,405mm, and a wet weight of 212 kilograms. To show you in detail the seat, which is like a suede effect, and the seat height is 835mm. The petrol tank, which I'm showing you now, has got a capacity of 17 litres. Some more air vents there, which I think are just for show. The MPG on this bike is 41 miles to the gallon approximately. You've got different rider modes, cruise control, power modes, and then there you have it. You've got your 4.2-inch TFT colour screen, and that's where you can access your rider modes. Your cruise control. And this bike absolutely sounds amazing, I must admit, and that's with the standard exhaust. Your rear suspension is a single link type mono type, just swing arm suspension, and the travel on that is 120mm. Your rear brakes again are ABS. You've got hydraulic single disc with a Nissan caliper, and the disc size is 220mm. Like I say, if you like your 4K close-up videos of motorbikes, then please hit the subscribe button. I'll be glad to have you on board as a follower to expand the channel. I can bring you more great content. Full LED tail light and LED indicators, as I said before. Obviously chain driven. Show you down here. You've got your 6-speed gearbox. I'll just show you. Like I say, you've got your quick shifter, which works up and down gears, which is good. Got your oil check window there. So if you like this Yamaha MT10, it's 13,500 on the road here in the UK. I'm here at CMC Chesterfield Motorcycles in Derbyshire. I'll put a link to their website in the description below, so be sure to check them out. I'm sure the sales staff will welcome you with open arms if you want to view or buy this bike, or if you're just wanting to ring for advice or anything like that. It's absolutely stunning. Like I say, that's your Tech Black, just like a matte black colour. Same price as standard on the road. Just want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch the video. I've been Gaz on the GAZWORLD motorcycle channel. Please hit the subscribe, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.